So today we are going to be doing the new Jigsaw quests. And we're not going to be doing it in ranked. I don't want to do it in ranked. So there's a new Jigsaw quest, and I'll explain it when I get there. Alright? And also, everybody that watched my one Horde Rush video, thank you. 3 people subscribed. Pretty nice. And, yeah, I just thank you guys. And, I just really want to get 100 subscribers so I can show that Stewie banner. I also changed my banner. If you guys want to see, I also changed my banner. Thank you for 3 of those people that subscribed for my one video. They really wanted to see that Stewie banner. So, honestly, if all of those people just subscribed to my channel, I would have gotten it like that day, and I would have immediately made a video, or I would have immediately made a story video. I would have played a game. I would have played Fortnite and talked about the story. I would probably have played ranked and talked about the story. But yeah. So basically, the Jigsaw quest, I actually do not know where it is, but actually, yes, I do know where it is. It's at Brawler's Patch. They changed up a lot of stuff. Also, by the way, I will be making another Horde Rush video because we did not do the best last Horde Rush video. So if you guys really like Horde Rush, you better, if you guys really like Horde Rush, then just say it in the comments. And if you don't want it in the comments, I'll still if you guys don't say anything in the comments, which is fine, I'll still make another video. And my next video will be something that has to do with, it has to do with, Squirrel with a Gun. So you'll be seeing that one coming soon. My first episode was pretty, it was fine. I got pretty good. I got pretty far in. Also, if you're watching this video and you still haven't watched that one, what is it called? Squirrel with a Gun video, then you should really look it up. It's episode 1. It's going to become a series. So yeah, you guys should really watch that video because that video was kind of a banger, not gonna lie. But yeah.
Hey, she's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard.
Oh my god, the NPC just killed him. You guys saw that, right? Oh, that's a player. I thought that was an NPC. Oh my god. What? How is he not dead? Let's go, bro. Oh my god. I didn't know they were still in the game. Crazy. Whoa, that's the legendary. Alright, so, the quest is over here. I know I kind of just fought all those guys, but the quest is, I saw, I'm pretty sure I remember seeing it, somewhere over here, maybe? Where is it? I need help. I need help finding it. I really don't know where it is, but, I hang on, I'm gonna go look. I see, might be over here somewhere. Maybe, possibly. Also, they killed the boss, and the boss must have loot. Also, how did I hit that guy for like 75, then 29? Like, that was pretty weird, but that's not my main priority right now. I'm really trying to look for that one quest thing. And let me look at the quest menu. Hopefully it's on here. Is this a Horde Rush quest? Huh. Oh man, I really don't know what this thing is. I marked it. So it's up there somewhere. Oh, I see it. Oh my god, I'm actually...
Hello. Do you want to play a game?
Okay, I got this on my head. Okay, so basically what it is, if you claim it, you'll get this ticking time bomb for 5 minutes, and the next person who challenges it, I have 5 minutes to kill that person. If I don't kill that person, then I lose. But I'm waiting for a player to accept the challenge, so let the waiting begin. I'll speed this up until I get into a fight. In 3, 2, 1. I got 5 minutes to kill this person. Where did I get shot from? Oh my god, let's go! Did I get the item? Let's see what this guy had. Oh my god, that guy got beamed like crazy, bro. Oh, I just went up so many levels. It's nice. Alright, well I completed that challenge. All I need to do now is win. Literally, that's all I need to do. Oh, that was my own. Wait, why was I doing that? I was giving away my position. I'm gonna go hop in the Studio Mobile. Also, guys, by the way, I need to I need to get likes and views on this video so I can get money. So I can get money, so I can get V-Bucks, so I can get the Fast and Furious for the Studiomobile. I know it kind of sounds like I'm begging, but like, if you guys did that for me, I would thank you guys so much. If you guys did that for me, I would save up V-Bucks and I would gift one of you guys something. A lucky subscriber that subscribes. I'll do that. But you guys don't have to if you don't want to. I never force my subscribers to subscribe, or I never force my viewers to subscribe, but I think I would very much appreciate it. That guy is basically dead meat. Oh yeah, he just locked himself in there. What the? No, he's my kill. Darn it. Man, a jetpack right now, or any movement right now would be so great. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Did he kill him? No, he killed him. Or did he? Oh my god. This is so scary, bro. Oh, nah, bro. That kid's running away, bro. Sadly, we haven't seen a Studiomobile, but it's fine. Ooh. Looks like we found a little Timmy right here. That was probably the worst idea of my year. No, bro. No, man. I got 15th place. But I beat this. I got the thing done, which is an achievement. All right, let's see what I can get in the battle pass. Just give me 1 second. I need 15. Okay. All right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you later. Peace out.